Hello everyone, we are the Group 6 and today we are going to tackle lots of stuffs and facts that can blow your mind. Well, too much of the intro and let's tackle some more. Wondering what topic it may be? Well, it's mostly people hates and it's flood. Now, let's watch and listen carefully for more info. Enjoy!
What can you do to save the earth?
As a youth people, what I can contribute now is to recycle everything, collect any plastics, papers, bottles, and cans and sell it to junk shop and avoid littering everywhere. That's all.
Go. I can save the environment by saving water on our place. Then I can save the earth by being thrifty in papers. I will not crumple them when I don't need them at all. I don't know what to say, but I will.
What do you think is the ways to prevent floods?
Some ways preventing floods. First of all, I'm going to join some organization who value the nature, who plant trees, some trash. I will not throw anywhere in the So I think that's the other way how to prevent floods. Go.
What do you think are the materials to prevent floods? Materials.
Wait lang po.
English.
In English.
Not only certain materials that can prevent flood, also the plants can prevent flood. One way to prevent flooding, extreme flooding, is planting trees or reforestation. Through reforestation, we can help rebuild the nature and prevent flood.
A disaster is a natural or a man-made event which negatively affects life, property, livelihood, or industry, often resulting to permanent changes into human society, ecosystem, and environment. Disasters are highly destructive, which causes suffering, injury, and death.
There are different types of disasters that we had experienced, like tsunami, landslides, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. But one of the worst we had experienced is flooding.
Heavy rain isn't the main cause of flood, but the main reason that this occurs is improper waste disposal.
Flooding is the most common disaster in our country. So what can you do to prevent this disaster?
Do you wanna know the human causes of floods? Let's find out! Number 1. Deforestation. Number 2. Poor farming. Number 3, poor water management.
but not the least, population pressure.
Placing trash cans near drainage or other flood-prone areas in order to avoid the clogging of drainage. And some ways on how to prevent flood. First, we need to plant more trees, and that is the proper waste disposal.
Did you know that there are simple materials that we can find anywhere?
Yes, there are, like broom, dustpan, plastic bags, and garbage cans are some of the materials that we can help us to prevent flood.
We all know what are the uses of broom and dustpans. They sweep and gather dirt or trash that is scattered anywhere.
Post the trash or dirt in the garbage can or plastic bags. Here, we store the wastes that we collected. Did you know that there are two kinds of waste?
I know. The two different kinds are biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable are the waste that can be composed into soil. Examples are garden, human and animal waste, cardboard boxes, and many more.
While non-biodegradable are waste that can take long time or never be decomposed. Examples are plastics, styrofoam, bottle toxic chemicals, and metal cans.
So ways to prevent flood is avoid cutting trees and segregate your trash.
Waste sorting is the process by which waste is separated into different elements.
Put your trash in the garbage can or plastic bags.
In this way, we can lessen our trash in our surroundings.
It also helps us reduce pollution in our environment.
It also prevents to stuck the trashes into the canals.
And most of all, it prevents heavy flood when we experience heavy rain.
And as we have said earlier, like
Broom, dustpans, plastic bags,
And garbage cans, we can use them to clean the surroundings and prevent flood. And if I were you, heal the world and make it the best day and save the environment, Joseph! Yeah!
And remember, don't throw plastic bags everywhere because it can cause floods too.
Yes, JM, that's why the government created a law that starting now, people must avoid using plastic to prevent floods when heavy rain occurs.